Professional power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. XL capacity. The 72 ounces professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Ice crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish-making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. What's included? 1000 watt motor base professional blender, 72 ounces total crushing pitcher with lid. Top reviews from the United States. 5 years going strong. I don't usually write reviews, but I had to for this blender. I bought this blender because I use a blender at least 5 times a week and I wanted one that would do the job well and last me a while. I am happy to report that I have had this blender for 5 years now and everything is still working great. It is a powerful blender that is very easy to clean, since the blender blades come out. I was motivated to write this review because I bought a Vitamix a few months ago. Honestly, even though I have a Vitamix, I still find myself using my Ninja most of the time. It is just so much easier to clean and plenty powerful. These days it feels difficult to find a quality product. This blender is the exception. When I need a new blender, I will be buying this Ninja again.